Hey y'all, my name is Metra Chinelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am doing a review on a wig that Lexqui has sent for me to review. Now ladies, this is a braided wig. It has full lace. It has an adjustable strap as well as combs on the side and on the back. I'm going to let you guys listen to the music and just go ahead on and install this wig, and then I will be back towards the end to let you ladies know what I think about this wig and give you more details. If you're interested in this wig, the link of this wig as well as the products that I've used to install this wig will be in the description box. And as always, let's keep it classy, ladies. It's her, the daughter. Hey. Don't she look fabulous? All right, ladies, let's get to this wig, okay? I absolutely love this wig. I love the length of it. You ladies can see that it reached all the way down to below my behind, and I am 5'2", so I love that. I absolutely love the length of it. I love the curls on the end because it gives you those braids. You know, it's more of a hard kind of look, but then you have the curls on the end that kind of softens that look up. You get both looks. You get the braids, and then you get that, you know, like a curly look as well all together. So you get 2 in 1. Absolutely love it. The texture of the hair is very soft. It's nice. It's very silky. The braids are soft and silky. They're not like straggly or itchy on me or anything. I love the texture of them. This whole wig, this whole structure is very neat. Like I said, the braiding is very neat. They've done a great job on that. The parting is very neat. I love the size of the braids and the parting. It all goes very well with this unit, okay? They've done a great job. The only thing that I had a little problem with, but it's not really much of a problem, but I had to kind of alter around, is the baby hairs. The baby hairs, you ladies seen how long they were. I don't think that they need to be that long when it comes down to braiding a braiding wig. You know, because you can't really, you know, when you have a regular wig, you can just fix your baby hairs and place them where you want to and then kind of brush the rest of it into the hair. But with the braiding wig, you can't do that because there's nowhere for you to put the hair. So what I've done was just cut my baby hairs really short so that I can have the baby hairs and they look more natural this way, and they're not overtaking my face, okay? I didn't want no real big baby hairs. That's when you look at me, all you seeing is my baby hairs and they're at full attention. Did not want that. So I cut them real short and just kind of swooped them how I wanted them to go. And then I kept the sideburns long. I still had to cut them a little bit so it won't be as long. But yeah, I cut them and left them with a little length on it. And that was basically all that I had to do as far as tampering with the wig. The color lace, I love the color lace. It melts into my skin, as you ladies seen there. It melted. I had no problem with that. It was not hard trying to melt the lace as well as camouflage the fact that this is a wig. The lace color, you ladies seen that I had put some of my face powder on the parting, and I just did that out of habit, okay? When I realized that I was doing it, I stopped doing it because I didn't need to do that. As you ladies can see, it really didn't do anything. It's the same look, okay? So, but I put some also around here. Now to me, around here, because it is a double lace, so when I did put the powder around this part, the perimeter around here, it did dim it down and it helped it, and it sure enough makes it look like it's coming out of my scalp, okay? So I do suggest for you to put powder around that area because of the double lace is kind of thick right here where it stops at. So the best thing to do for that, I say, is to put the face powder on that. But as far as you putting face powder throughout the whole parting of your wig, you don't have to do that whatsoever. You may not have to do it around the perimeter once you put it on and you give it a good look. And you may be fine with it. But for me, I just went on ahead and added the face powder on that part right there. The wig has no weight to it. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy on my head at all. I'm comfortable. I love this wig, okay? Some wigs you can put on, especially when you're having braiding wigs, and it can have a little weight to it because of the braids. But there is no weight to it. Girl, this is a 10 out of 10. I said go ahead on and get this wig. This wig is everything. There's nothing bad that I can say about this wig. Now, I'm a little frightened that maybe the curls on the end may start getting a little, you know, straggly and, you know, not as smooth like it is. But we're going to see from that. Right now, I have no problems. It's not tangling or anything like that. So I'm just going to leave it as that. But I will be, like, every time that I do put this wig on or anything like that, I will, like, just to make sure, I would just kind of like make sure that I keep this with some sheen on it, as well as some mousse, and just kind of make sure I keep it smooth and keep it looking like this as long as I can, because I will be pulling this wig out a lot, especially during the spring and summer season, because it is when the heat start hitting you, you don't have to worry about it. You know, the girls go and get the braids soon as it start getting hot. But baby, Metra is going to be plopping these braided wigs on her head, saving my coins as well as my time, okay? So I say go and get this wig. Absolutely go and get this wig. There is nothing wrong with it. It is beautiful. They've done an awesome job. Okay, ladies, so I'm going to go ahead on and go. That is it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this wig as well as this video, okay? Let me know down in the description box if there's any questions that you may have on this wig that I did not touch already. Just let me know down below, as well as let me know if you like this wig or not. Hit the notification button so you'll be notified every time that I drop a video, as well as make sure that you ladies subscribe to my channel, okay? And as always, let's keep it classy, ladies.